Hey guys, I want to teach you how to get out of paying IRS penalties fast. I want to give you 3 strategies that are going to help you. Strategy number 1 is going to be to utilize the first time penalty abatement rule. What is the first time penalty abatement rule? That is where you are going to get on the phone, call IRS, and literally be their new best friend. When you call IRS, you're going to ask them to please waive the penalty. And IRS will waive the penalty if you don't have any outstanding compliance issues and this is your first time having a penalty with IRS. But remember, you have to be nice if you want that first time penalty abatement. The second loophole is the partnership relief penalty, where you're going to be able to get out of filing your partnership late penalty. And the way you're going to do that is that if you have 10 or fewer partners, the IRS will allow you to have a one-time partnership abatement penalty exclusion. How does that work? That works by making sure that all of your partners report their fair share of income and expense on their tax return. You got to be very clear to make sure that they do that. When you call the IRS, you need to tell them that you want relief under Revenue Procedure 8435. You want to give IRS that revenue procedure. Why? Because the people answering the phone don't always know. The third option you can use is reasonable cause. If you don't qualify for any of the other options, you can give IRS a reasonable reason cause for filing late. But here's the thing, when we're talking about reasonable cause, we got to be very careful. We got to make sure that we use the proper language. This is where you have to throw yourself on the mercy of the IRS. You have to have a legitimate reason and a clear explanation for why you failed to file and or pay on time. The tax code calls this reasonable cause. You may call it a great excuse, but you want to learn how to use the proper language. You can make your reasonable call pleading on the phone. You don't necessarily have to write a letter. The faster, the better. The key takeaway is to know that you have options if you have failure to file penalties or late penalties. If you have any questions about this, I want you to comment below because your cash is really important. You want to try to get these penalties abated before you pay them. If you like what you heard in this video or want more information, please hit the subscribe, like, or comment below. I'll see you in the next video.